Ẹ̀yin tèmi, Happy New Year. Wow, what an amazing 2024 we had together. We explored so much of our history, creating insightful and impactful stories that reminded us where we are coming from. As the saying goes, a society that doesn't know its history is doomed to repeat the mistake of its forebears. That is why we have made it our mission last year to shine a light on our rich heritage. From stories about our people and historical figures to the exploration of African empires, art, and even some of the more painful parts of our past, we have come a long way in understanding and preserving our history. To everyone who has supported us, whether by streaming our videos on YouTube at Edu Street TV, engaging with us on TikTok at your favorite history guy and Edu Street TV as well, following us on Instagram or liking our post on Facebook, whether you have been with us from the start or just joined the family, your views, comments and encouragement means the world to me. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Your encouragement fuels everything we do. And for those who haven't joined the movement, this is your year to start. Because this year 2025, we are taking things to the next level. The Americans, Europeans, Asians and Arabs cherish their histories and guard them fiercely. Why should it be any different here in Africa? Knowing where we come from is the first step to building a brighter future. This year, I am thrilled to share that we will be digging even deeper into our collective past. Beyond West Africa, we will explore the histories of Southern, Eastern, Central and Northern Africa. And for my Yoruba history enthusiasts, I know it's been a while since our last city exploration. Trust me, what is coming will worth the wait. I've got something special cooking. On behalf of the entire team at Edu Street TV and your favorite history guy, I want to wish you a prosperous 2025 filled with excellence, growth and unforgettable achievements. Let's make history together.